Hey y'all, we're back. This is part 2 of going to Lake Naconiche. We got Brindley out of the car. I made a video driving over here and showed y'all the lake. Now we're going to walk down to one of the piers. A couple of trucks up there, so I'm sure there's people down here fishing. Brindley, would you please stop pulling so hard? Gosh. Oh, she gives me a workout. She is wanting to go down in the woods. Yeah, we got fishermen down here, so I'm gonna kind of be quiet when we walk by. So y'all just enjoy the view. I don't want to disturb them while they're fishing. Somebody is shooting a gun or something, and it is like a cannon. Gosh. Y'all are listening to the rustle of the leaves and Brindley breathing hard. She is a leash puller, and I have done everything I know to break her. You want to go get her a drink of water? Mama tried to give you some water at the car. Okay, let's walk this way. Oh, I don't know who that is shooting, but that is terribly loud. I know y'all can hear that. Y'all, I love to come over here and fish from the bank. I bring my rod and reel over, bring my nephew over here. He loves to come over here, the one that put my entertainment center together. We come over here and fish and have a big time. He's my fishing buddy. He's a good boy. We just pray he stays that way. Hopefully I'm not shaking y'all up too bad. It's kind of hard to hold his phone still when you got 16 pounds pulling on your other side of your body. She is getting after it. She is sniffing. Brindley, hold still and let them see your shirt. Hold still and let them see your shirt, baby. Brindley, hold still, baby. She said, I ain't doing it. Her shirt says, looking for snacks. She's in search of a cookie. She need a cookie. Or like Steven says, she might need a corn dog. Oh, goodness. It's so pretty over here. There's a lot of acorns, boy. I don't know if the squirrel's been eating them or what, but something's been after them. Those are big old acorns, too. My acorns at my house are not that big. There's plenty of them on the ground. Y'all see that? They are everywhere. There goes a boat. Hey, the water's really still over here. It looked like it was moving a lot over on the other side. It may have been from a boat. But there's usually a lot of canoes and stuff out here. And I probably should have had my phone turned the other way. And I just wasn't thinking. But hopefully it'll be enough that y'all can see it. I'll turn it the other way and make another video walking back. Probably. Because I don't like for these to run too long. Brindley, baby, if you'd come around, you wouldn't be behind Mama. There you go. Give y'all another little. Oh, sorry, keeps jerking. She keeps bumping me. Bumping my other arm. Anyway, y'all have a happy new year. Be blessed. And don't forget to say your prayers. And we'll see y'all in the next video.